CTFO hair growth leave-in solution with Anagain and 100 milligrams of CBD oil, both of which stimulates the hair follicles, thus creating an environment for hair growth. Okay, so let me show you what my hair looks like right now. As you can see, my roots are really thick. It is really soft, moisturized. I've been using this for a while now, and I can tell you, okay, my hair retwisted 2 months ago. So this is the new growth that I have in 2 months, and I am retwisting my hair every 3 to 4 months now. So this is what it's looking like. Nice and thick. Look at the roots, baby. Look at the roots. So yeah, it's doing me justice. It's definitely doing me justice. I will have a link down below, guys. This actually comes in a kit. I started out with just the leave-in solution. This is what I started out with. However, it comes with a complete kit. It comes with shampoo with CBD oil, conditioner with CBD oil. It also comes with a brush. I do brush my locks, guys, my roots. That's another video, and I will come and tell you why, the significance of me doing it. But I'm really loving this product. A little goes a long way. And yes, guys, my hair is growing. Check out the benefits of Anagain. Check out the benefits of CBD oil as it relates to your hair. Again, Anagain comes from the pea sprout, okay, the sprout of a pea. They derive the Anagain from that, and it stimulates hair growth. Also, CBD oil, guys, is antioxidant. It stimulates hair growth, regeneration of hair follicles. So check it out. Guys, look at my hair. And you tell me if this product ain't the business. You tell me if it's not the business, okay? Link in my description area. Go ahead and grab you up some. And also let me know if you do. Try it out. DM me. I'd love to hear the praise report. CTFO hair growth leave-in solution with Anagain and 100 milligrams of CBD oil. Go get you some.